Hey guys, so I have the excavator behind me. I'm heading over to the Swede farm. We have one more field to go. It's approximately 1 hectare, a little bit less. We decided that we will pick up by hand manually this field. The reason for that is because it's a little bit more wet than the other fields, and the access point that I told you about a few videos ago, it's a weak spot there. So I will bring the excavator, and we have actually borrowed some rubber mats from a local friend that we have around here. The ones that you use to blow up stones, if that makes sense. So we have 5 of these, and I will try to put them where the weakest spots are, where it's mostly wet and the surface doesn't carry it all. So that's what I'm heading out to do now, and then we will start to pick up what's already been cutted by the Romanians. And yeah, this is how it is these days. It's yeah, hard to ask for better weather than we have. It's been raining a lot today, and a few days ahead it's going to be okay. But you can see in the temperature it's 3 degrees. It doesn't dry up anything at all. So that's how it is this time of year. Okay, so I've been on the field. It's wet. You have to cross this second big field that I mentioned earlier to enter the last field. The problem is that we don't have an access road, so to access this field you have to cross the big field, and it's wet. So the plan now is to put 2 rubber mats on the entrance of the big field. Then we have to pull the 3 last ones to the same spot, and now we have to take them with the excavator, because I don't think we will manage to pull them with the tractor, because it's too muddy, it's too wet. So that's the plan, and it will be a mess for sure, but what other options do we have now? I don't know. So the 2 Romanians will do the pulling. I will make another one ready for them, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so the sun came up, but doesn't help that much. So I decided to put 3 here, because it's wet in this turn, and then we have 2 over there, along with an old rusty trailer flatbed that was laying there, and some old wood sticks too, so hopefully it will be enough. So now we have to stay in the same track all the time, over and over again, because it's the only anything that's working around here. It's real stupid to don't have a road, we know, but it's too late now. So we have until Sunday, today is Friday, to finish up this one. Still, yeah, 8 hectares remaining of this field, so it will be plenty of work. Tomorrow it will come a few other people to help as well, so we will be at least 6, 7 with me, 8. All right, so let's start to pick up. Alright, so now it's day 2. I'm leaving home right now. It's almost 11 on a Saturday. As you can see, I have the trailer behind me. That's because I brought it home yesterday to empty out some leftover soil that was separated on the magazine. So I dumped it on my future lawn project. And now I'm heading over to the Swede farm. I will leave the trailer there and pick up the second pallet fork, and then we will continue to pick up Swedes that's laying on the ground. So today there are 7 people there. It's going a bit faster, so hopefully we'll knock out a bit more than we did yesterday. So the yields aren't quite as high that we wanted it to be. It started very good yesterday on the edge. We made a few boxes, but as we entered further into the field, it was less, not less, but the same number of Swedes, but it was a smaller size. So we have a limit of the size that we can deliver to the shops. It's 600 grams, and when you are on 600 and 700 and 500, it's not a great yield at all. So, but we will pick up what's remaining, and it is what it is. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry guys, I just watched too much Kinder television these days, so I gotta make sure I can keep up with it. So you're probably wondering why I only take one box when I have a double fork behind me. Well, give me a few seconds here and I will show you the obvious reason for that. Offset. So the boys think that we will finish today. Hopefully they are alright. So maybe this will be the last day of 2021 harvest. The last? Finito.
Very good, my friend.
Now you can go and cry a little bit, like make good TV. Happy tears. Alright, so there she is. The last box of sweets. And that wraps up this year's harvest for us. It's been a journey like all the other years. We are actually quite early finished this year. It's only 13th of November. So yeah, but still it has been over 2 months. Started in 20th August. And we started full time around 15th of September. So yeah, 60 days of harvest approximately. I think we have harvested about 160 tons of sweets and 1250 tons of carrots. So it's not a record year. Sweets are low. It's not yielding well at all. And the obvious reason for that is the weeds, but we don't care about that now. We are finished, and that's all that matters now. So since it's Saturday, I think I will grab at least 2 beers tonight. So all right, I will take this box with all our stuff back to the main farm, and I will call it a day, and I will be back here on Monday. So thanks for watching, thanks for joining me in this harvest, and I'll catch you in the next one.